karanjetlilive.
Hi guys, welcome to my channel, and today we are going to make chenna poda, or in English you call it as cottage cheese cake. So guys, this recipe is extremely easy and you can make it easily in your home with 3 ingredients. So guys, for the full recipe, all of you stay tuned. So guys, to make our chenna poda or cottage cheese cake, so what we have to do is we have to take about 400 grams of cottage cheese, or we call it as paneer. Okay, now to this I'm adding a quarter cup of sugar, and then I'll add about one one spoon of ghee. Ghee is optional, but you can add it, like it will add that shine to it. Okay, and then to all this, about half spoon of cardamom powder. So guys, that's all we need to make our chana poda. Okay, so now what we have to do is we have to knead all these things together like we make dough for the chapatis. Okay, so I'll start kneading it. It should take 5-7 minutes to knead it into a dough. Okay, so then we proceed to the next stage. So guys, I kneaded the mixture for about 8 minutes. Now this is how it looks like. So it looks like the dough for making chapatis. Okay, so guys, now what we have to do is now we have to bake it. Okay, how we have to do it, that I'm going to tell you in the next step. Now guys, I took my baking pan. Okay, I greased it with some ghee. So now we have to transfer the dough which we made, okay, so to this baking pan. Okay, like this. Now we'll even it out. Now guys, after pouring it in the baking pan, so now we have to bake it. Okay, so we'll bake it for about 30 minutes, okay, at 170 degree. So I have already preheated my oven, so now I'm going to place it in my oven and we will check it after 30 minutes. Now guys, this is my oven. I'm going to place it in my oven, and then I'm going to set the temperature at 170, which is already there, and the timer at 30. So now we'll check it after 30 minutes. So guys, I took it out of my oven, and I would like to tell you this is very important. Like I told you initially, like we are going to bake it for 30 minutes at about 170 degree, but when I checked it after 30 minutes, it was still white in color. Okay, or it was not golden brown like this. Okay, so then again I baked it for about 15 more minutes. So the total time to bake it is at 170 degree for 45 minutes. Okay, now this is how our chana poda looks. Now I took it out of the oven. Okay, so we'll allow it to cool. Then I'm going to cut slice out of it, and then I'm going to show you how it looks. Now guys, after cooling it, now we'll cut a slice from it and we'll see how it has come up. So guys, what happens is when you bake cottage cheese with sugar, the sugar caramelizes, okay, and it gives this very good golden brown color. Okay, so here is our first slice. Okay, so you can see it is golden brown on the top and it is white and cheesy from the bottom. So guys, this was chana poda or cottage cheese cake. So guys, if you like my videos, please subscribe to my channel. I'll be uploading more and more easy and tasty recipes. And all of you guys, thanks for watching and stay tuned.